what's up? Welcome back. This is Henry Harder. Today we're gonna do our inquiry movie about the Halophiles. It's like Achaea live in the salty environment. They're so salty. Yeah, let's just start today's. Subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell and you won't miss any videos. Tap all, and if you have time, leave a like on the videos and comment if you have something wrong and talk with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Welcome back, guys. What's up? This is Henry Huan, and today we are gonna talk about halophiles. It's like a kind of archaea live in a salty environment. Yes, so let's start today. First, let's introduce the three domains. Actually, some years ago, it's like two domains: bacteria and bacteria and eukaryotes. But the archaea are the oldest ones. They didn't find the archaea domain, and a scientist, I can't remember his name, found archaea in the 1980s. This is like a tree. Bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. It's eukaryotes. Look, this is halophiles. It's like the green line, and it's like they now they the most of them are classified into the archaea, and some of them are bacteria and eukaryotes. Bacteria is a type of biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms, typically a few micrometers in length. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from spheres to rows and spirals. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth and are present in most of its habitats. Now, but archaea is like the oldest ancient ones. Archaea constitute a domain of single-cell organisms, single-cell microorganisms. It's like they are both prokaryotic, and these microbes are prokaryotes, meaning they don't have a steel nucleus. Yeah, bacteria is the same, but they have a huge difference. Archaea were intentionally classified as bacteria, received the name Archaebacteria, but the classification is outdated. It's always wrong, so it's like the name's Archaea. Eukaryotes, member of the domain Eukarya, called eukaryotes, have membrane-bound organelles, including nucleus containing genetic material, and are represented by five kingdoms: Plantae, Protista, Animania, Chromista, and Fungi. So these are like the big kingdoms in the domain eukaryotes. And what are the halophiles? I'm not sure you have you know the name. The names come from Greek, means salt-loving. Halophiles are the organisms that live in the high salt concentrations. They're also a type of extremophile organisms. So they just live in extreme environments. And the name comes from the Greek word salt-loving. Well, most halophiles are classified into the domain Archaea, although there are bacterial halophiles and some eukaryotes. Yeah, it's like a weird. Some of them are Archaea, most of them are Archaea, but there are some bacterial halophiles and some eukaryotic halophiles. I didn't finish that. The halophiles survive in the salt concentrations of just turn to another page. classification, halophiles can be found mostly in the domain Archaea, but there are few in the domain bacteria and domain Eukarya. Domain Archaea contains single-cell agent prokaryotic microorganisms. This means they are composed of one cell and do not have a nucleus or membrane-bound organelles in the cells. They were permanent. And domain bacteria contains more recent organisms. Yeah, it's like newer than the Archaea domain. So they can be in a variety of shapes. Yeah, and but the Archaea can't do that. Domain Eukarya contains the most evolved organisms. It's the newest domain, but people found them first. Domain Eukarya contains the most evolved organisms that have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Like humans are classified into the Eukarya. Halophiles are typically categorized as light, moderate, or extreme based on the amount of salt they can tolerate in the environment. Yeah, the salt man, yeah, the salty. Slight halophiles prefer 1.7 to 4.8%. Seawater is like a 3.5%. Yeah, if you I drank seawater before. It's like a so salty, and if you drink much, you gonna have health problems. If you don't have water at sea, just don't drink the seawater. If you drink seawater, you're gonna die. Moderate halophiles prefer 4.7 to 20%. That's high. That's so high. And extreme halophiles prefer 20 to 30% salt content. 30%. If you drink, you can have a try at home. Drink a cup of water with 30% of salt. What will you feel? It's like just I'm kidding. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Look at this picture. It's like the halophiles in the microscope, because people can't see them by their eyes. So they use the microscope. It's like I'm not explaining about the pictures. Location? Yeah, we moved to location. Halophiles can be found anywhere with a salt concentration of with a concentration of salt 5 times greater than the salt concentration of the ocean, such as the Great Salt Lake, Orange Lake, and the Dead Sea. Yeah, if you go to Dead Sea, you can float in the Dead Sea and you won't just dead. You won't dead. That's true. Yeah, that's like a special feeling. You can just float on the sea. Adaptation. Yeah, we move on to adaptations. The adaptation is like the integrity of non-halophile micromolecules is like composing and flow of water out of the cell produce a Tungo effect. Yeah, the water only go out. They can't go in. Yeah, the H2O means water. Molar halophiles maintain their structures with the synthesis of compatible organic solutes. So I think they just stay water in the cells, and extreme halophiles maintain their structures with equilibration of circular and environmental salt concentration. I can't explain that very much. It's like a behavior adaptation, because behavior adaptation is like how you act. Yeah, how you act. They just do the effects. It's like how they act. And the labeled diagram of this is like a kind of halophile. uh, it's not a different one. The nothing had a nucleus. It's not. It's not like a archaea. It's like a different thing, and the cell is like really strange shape. And this is the on the microscope. This is like a label diagram. And the last thing is the global warming and Halophiles future. The global warming also, it's like the same with the climate change. Means people use cars very much, and the temperature will go up. The environment is like not good. Um, the air is like dirty. Yeah, in China, in like India, China, the air is it's like so bad. People see the can't see the skies. No, can see the sky, but they can't see the stars. It's not like Australia, China's air is have a big problem if because they have many factories, many cars, too many cars, and too many people. That's it. And if 100 years from now, what will the temperature be? How dirty will the air be? It's like you can only predict, but you don't know what's a certain answer. Maybe people will be better and they can find a solution for cleaning the air, cleaning or the air. And we just see for 100 years, but uh, if the 100 years from now the temperature become very high, like 30 degrees Celsius, it's like more bad. The corpse, some of the animals, maybe some of the humans will die from the heat, and many microorganisms will die from that too. Like many organisms can only survive in the cold environment, like the archaea. Some of the archaea only can survive in the cold environment, like um, negative negative 80 degrees to negative 40 degrees, like. But if the heat and the average temperature will be 30 or above, and they will die from that. And a lot of animals, it's like not a good thing. We should control the global warming or the climate change. It's like someone will do it. Will the heat affect Halophiles? The answer is yes. Many organisms die from the high heat. The heat can kill microorganisms by entering their membranes and denaturing proteins. Look at that picture. That picture is like the microorganisms or bacteria in the microscope, and they are very small. No one will care about them. But if bacteria is not on the earth, the ecosystem will be broken. Everything is very important for the ecosystem. The global warming will kill a lot of creatures, and then the ecosystem will have something different than the 100 years ago. 100 years ago, people in the environment is like good. There are trees anywhere, and people don't know what's cars, don't know what's planes, and mobile phones. So 100 years ago, it's like nothing. The air is so clean, and you can see stars. Yeah, that's almost it. The end. Don't forget to subscribe to Henry Juan. It's like the best Pixelgun 3D play in this school. It's like good. Subscribe to the channel and you won't miss Pixelgun 3D videos and other videos. You can also find this video in my channel. Just put Henry Juan, subscribe. No, just search Henry Juan and you will get the answer. Thank you very much. That's almost today's thing to do, and enjoy your day. Bye.